The mindset shift from conventional to creative thinking. Title: The mindset shift from conventional to creative thinking. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, conventional thinking no longer guarantees success. With challenges becoming more complex and demands constantly shifting, the ability to think creatively has become increasingly valuable. Creative thinking enables individuals to develop innovative solutions, adapt to change, and navigate uncertainty with grace. In this article, we will explore the mindset shift from conventional to creative thinking and its significance in various aspects of life and society. Understanding conventional thinking. Conventional thinking refers to the traditional and predictable approach to problem solving. It often relies on established norms, rules, and routines. Conventional thinkers tend to follow well-worn paths, not questioning or challenging existing methods. While conventional thinking can be effective in certain situations, it often limits potential breakthroughs and stifles innovation. The power of creative thinking. Creative thinking, on the other hand, fosters a fresh and innovative perspective. It encourages individuals to question the status quo, challenge assumptions, and explore new possibilities. By connecting seemingly unrelated ideas and thinking outside the box, creative thinkers can generate unique insights and solutions that conventional thinkers might overlook. Enhancing problem-solving abilities. One major advantage of adopting a creative mindset is its impact on problem-solving abilities. Creative thinkers approach challenges with an open and exploratory mindset, breaking away from rigid boundaries and conventional wisdom. They are more likely to identify unconventional solutions and discover alternative paths that lead to breakthroughs. For instance, in the technological realm, businesses relying on conventional thinking may struggle to adapt to changing consumer demands and evolving market dynamics. Creative thinkers, on the other hand, embrace innovation and are more likely to identify emerging trends, disrupt the market, and develop cutting-edge technologies. Nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship. Innovation and entrepreneurship go hand in hand with creative thinking. Entrepreneurs who adopt a creative mindset are more likely to identify gaps in the market, develop groundbreaking products or services, and create new business models. They understand that creativity is the driving force behind successful ventures. Moreover, innovation is not confined to entrepreneurship alone. Every industry and organization, regardless of size or sector, can benefit from the infusion of creative thinking. Creative solutions see and revolutionize processes, increase efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. From healthcare to education, creative thinking has the potential to reshape industries and create lasting positive impacts. Cultivating adaptability and resilience. In a world marked by constant change and unpredictability, adaptability and resilience are critical qualities. Creative thinking prepares individuals to embrace change and view it as an opportunity rather than a threat. By challenging established norms and exploring new perspectives, creative thinkers can navigate uncertainties and adapt to changing circumstances with greater ease. This mindset shift is particularly relevant in the professional realm. In a rapidly evolving job market, employees who can adapt their skills, knowledge, and mindset are more likely to thrive. They thinkers possess the ability to spot trends, learn new skills, and anticipate future needs, making them indispensable in an ever-changing workplace landscape. Fostering collaboration and diversity. Creative thinking also promotes collaboration and diversity, as it encourages individuals to bring varied perspectives and ideas to the table. By embracing diverse viewpoints, creative thinkers assess the collective intelligence of a group, leading to more comprehensive and innovative solutions. In team settings, conventional thinking often leads to groupthink, where ideas are limited to those that align with established norms.